Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be going over how to customize Gnome's keyboard shortcuts. So to customize the Gnome keyboard shortcuts, you're going to want to open up the application launcher here, type in keyboard, and you'll be able to see a lot of different settings. The thing that we need to worry about is just the top action right here. Double click on it and that will take you straight up to where everything that you can customize. So if you'd like to change some of these, you can go through and let's just say you don't like the switch applications button. You can double click on that and change it to control tab if you are a weirdo who likes control tab, and then it will instantly start working with control tab. And you can also reset the default changes by just clicking the reset button, reset all, and that will reset. And anything is customizable. You can double click on anything and set it. So the cool thing about this is the custom shortcuts. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can click the plus sign and set up your own thing. So if I want mine to launch Firefox, I can set it to Firefox, and then just set Firefox, and then set shortcut, Control F, click add, go down here, press Control F, and it should launch up Firefox. And as you can see, it does. And you can make custom launchers for anything. In the article, I go over how to launch scripts and multiple programs at the same time. It's very, very useful. Anyways, guys, if you're looking to learn how to customize the Gnome keyboard shortcuts, all you got to remember is to click on the Show Application button here, type in keyboard, click on the first option. That will open you up to the setting window here, and then just find any option, double click on it, and set whatever you'd like to set it to. And that's how that all works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.